Coverage up to 1,500 square. Fort. For 20 devices. Fast AX1800 Gigabit speed with Wi-Fi 6 technology for uninterrupted streaming, HD video gaming, and web conferencing. Connects to your existing cable modem and replaces your Wi-Fi router. Compatible with any internet service provider up to 1 gigabit per second including cable, satellite, fiber and DSL. Plug-in computers, game consoles, streaming players and more with 4x1G Ethernet ports. Sets up in minutes with the Nighthawk app. Easily manage Wi-Fi settings, test internet speed, and monitor data usage. Top reviews from the United States. The router that was promised. When I moved in with my wife, she brought with her a router that was better than mine, so we kept hers. After a while, more and more of our house became smarter. Smart devices were chatting across our house more and more every month. So I decided to upgrade to a TP-Link router. I grew to regret that mistake every day over the course of a month. Over the course of the next month, the smart devices grew angry. They couldn't chat freely and with reckless abandon. Sometimes they wouldn't ever hear each other. The Chromecast cried in solace. The smart light bulbs faded to dark. Our guests grew angry with our unreliable network as Game of Thrones struggled to stream. We lost friends. Made enemies. At a certain point we decided enough is enough. It is time to throw more money at this problem. That's how we ended up with this spaceship. I spent 20 minutes going through all the advanced settings to make sure it was set up well enough to satisfy my inner geek, then I unleashed it upon the internet. Game of Thrones streamed quickly. Netflix couldn't feed my router fast enough. My smart devices snapped to attention. The Chromecast wept, this time with tears of joy. I am a hero. And all it took was a lot of money.